Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Workers who qualify for retirement are being told to delay if they can. That advice from pension experts who claim that retirees stand to lose if they take their pension earnings during the COVID-19 pandemic. Andrew Laidley reports.
When it comes to retirement, timing is everything, especially where pension payouts are concerned. According to CEO of Sterling Investments, Charles Ross, those who are eligible for retirement at this time should reconsider.
With COVID-19, there's huge uncertainty in the economic environment. And so I guess it's all the more pressing that if people can continue working, they continue and continue to accumulate and save so that when they retire, they have a larger pool of resources to invest.
Actuary St. Elma White explained that the investment market is not favorable for pension assets right now.
COVID, though, has brought in a kind of a special thing, because if you're in a defined contribution plan, and if your asset levels took a 30% hit or a 20% hit just when you're about to retire, I don't think you have any choice. So long as you can be allowed to defer the retirement, then you're going to do it. Because you'll be losing a lot of your pensions.
He says there are options which pensioners can explore to ensure they reap rewards at a more favorable time.
It can mean that you actually retire, but go on late retirement. Do not take your pension until the assets recover. And it can mean keep on working. So you could see it in two ways if you talk about the pension plan.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Barita Investments has made special provisions for those who are feeling the economic pinch of COVID-19 but would still like to participate in its additional public offering. Vice President of Barita's Asset Management and Research, Ramon Small Ferguson, made the disclosure during a virtual press briefing.
We've decided to offer to prospective investors within different categories who we believe have seen an outsized impact from this crisis, discounts to the offer price. So the general offer price is $52 a share, but $49 is being offered to the group of investors who we've defined as small investors. We recognize that investing capacity has fallen because of this crisis. Persons have lost their jobs, persons have lost money in the market. And as a result, we are offering investors who are looking to invest between about $15,000 or so and $50,000, a price of $49 a share.
Is looking to raise a minimum of $9 billion with the option to upsize to $13.5 billion. The offer opens on August 26. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $151.17, the Canadian dollar $115.63. The pound closed at $200.79, while the euro is going for $180.72. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 383 points today, while the junior market index gained 18 points. Among the winners, CAC 2000 9.5% preference shares, JMMB Group 7.5%, SSL Venture Capital, Palace Amusement and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. On the losing side were 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, 138 Student Living Ordinary Shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, Iron Rock Insurance and Key Insurance. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.